Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make my first video. I'm going to unbox my Christmas present. It's a Dior purse and it came with this gorgeous Christmas edition bag. I really love this year's design and it's very unique and special. And it also came with a star that has the Dior logo on it. So let's take it out. So here is the box. The design on the box is slightly different from the bag, but again it's really amazing and I really love the colors and everything about it. So let's take the bow off. So here is the inside the box with the Dior mark on it. Let's open it. So here is the bag in the dust bag. Let's open it up. So here is the Dior Bobby bag. It's in size medium in color beige. At the back it has a pocket and it says 30 Montaigne. And in the front it has this gorgeous gold hardware. So let's open it up. Inside it has a gorgeous suede fabric. And it also came with a strap. So here is the strap with the gold hardware as well. And it also came with this authenticity card. And here is inside. So there is a pocket as well. This is a perfect daily bag. It fits all of my essentials and belongings I bring with me. And yeah, I think I really love this bag. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment or a like if you want. And follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you and goodbye.